project day. For today's video, I'm going to be trying to make a ballet skirt. Now, I've never made one before, so we'll see how it goes. So while organizing my house, like everyone does during quarantine, I found all this fabric to use, so that's how I got inspired to make my skirts. So we'll see how this goes. I know it's gonna be kind of interesting because I'm using fabric that's like not really stretchy, but I think we're gonna make it work. This is an example of fabric that doesn't stretch, but it's also like very stiff and hard, so we'll see if it works. I don't know. One of my biggest concerns also is how long the fabric is, because some are kind of cut weird because it's been in the middle of the project. Okay, I don't think I can use this though because it's a bit too short. Like there's not enough fabric. But it's so pretty. So, oh, it's okay. Guys, I should make a Hello Kitty skirt. I'm definitely making a sheep skirt. Ooh, I kind of like this one. And it's very lightweight too. I just can't decide if I want the lines to go vertically horizontally. Still haven't decided if I want horizontal or vertical. Oh, it was a dress. Ooh. Okay, this is actually really cute, but it's got a whole bunch of little teeny tiny Santas on it. Christmas is coming early this year. I could make like a teeny tiny skirt for like a rat. There was a lot of fabric that's a little too small. It's kind of just like scraps from old projects that I used, I guess. This one's actually super cute. They're like little tiny cherries. That's a lot. It's like chameleon dancewear as a skirt. I love chameleon dancewear, by the way. Show it to them. Oh my gosh. I just don't see it as a ballet skirt. Alright, so the 4 fabrics I chose were sheepy, pink one, my favorite color, my favorite animal, the flowers because I like tiny flowers, and this one because I thought it was unique. Yay. So I would be thinking, wow, those are some really ugly fabrics she chose. Or, oh, they're pretty cute. But my point is, I went by the feeling, how I like how it felt, and also the length is important because some of them, like I said, were fit for a rat. But yeah, I'm excited to start sewing. Okay, so it turns out what I've been wearing as a hat this whole time was for baskets.
でもずっと乗せて。いいよ。
So, who's ready to walk into their next online ballet class wearing their brand new skirt? Alright, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you for my next video.